Leaky gut is when the lining of the small intestine has become permeable. Food particles can then exit out of the lining of the small intestine, kind of like this Ziploc bag. Whether you're struggling with cancer, diabetes, heart disease, acne, allergies, asthma, IBS, IBD, or any of those other letters I don't even know about, health hack number 2 is addressing leaky gut and biofilms. Biofilms are a slimy sludge that bacteria form over the top of themselves to protect themselves in, and then they harbor parasites, yeast, molds, fungus, bacteria, and toxins. Biofilms are often antibiotic resistant and super hard to get rid of. This diagram of the small intestine shows how a multitude of health issues can occur when we don't address those pathogens and toxins. Those little tentacles, those are our villi and microvilli. We have trillions of them that line the small intestine. The job of the villi and the microvilli are to be light and flowy and to absorb our nutrition out of our food as the food passes through. But what happens when we're eating the standard American diet, things that are inflammatory, or we haven't addressed those biofilms, those villi and microvilli begin to get matted down and crushed like an old carpet. Our food begins to pass through. We're not getting the nutrition that we should be out of our food, and we begin to become nutrient deficient. Nutrient deficiencies are always part of the equation when we have chronic health issues going on. If the scenario goes on long enough, we begin to have a pulling apart of the lining of the small intestine. And in functional medicine, we would say that is the root cause of any chronic and degenerative disease. 75 to 80% of our immune system lies within the lining of the small intestine. Number 1 key place to start is eating cleaner. That was health hack number 1. And addressing those antibiotic resistant biofilms and leaky gut. Government website research and lots of other research has shown that essential oils are a great way to break down those biofilms. This Daily Digest blend is a blend of 14 different botanicals that are great for stimulating better digestion, helping with gentle daily detoxification, increasing enzyme production, modulating histamine levels, and so much more. 2 to 5 drops, apply into the navel or to the bottom of the feet. It absorbs right into your bloodstream. Great for gentle daily long-term use. And the Warrior Strong blend, 12 different antimicrobial oils that help break down those biofilms, support immune function, chronic infections, and sugar cravings. Apply a few drops to your neck and lymph daily for 2 to 4 weeks. Repeat if needed. Tomorrow we'll talk about nutrient deficiencies.